Okay, this is KRC-US R and L keyway. It's the same operation whether or not we're doing a R keyway, just the regular keyway, which is 54G, either 5 wafer or 6 wafer, it doesn't matter. The concept is the same. You have a cam lock. Functional operating key. You have a removal key. It'll say control on the key, the red overmold key. Goes to 1 o'clock, which is like this. Okay, so 1 o'clock, remove. 1 o'clock, reinstall. It's very hard to see, but there's what you actually have here is you have two grooves. You have one at 1 o'clock and one at 11 o'clock. The one at 1 o'clock is for 12 to 3 rotation, or anything in a clockwise direction. The one at 11 o'clock is going to be anything for a counterclockwise direction, such as 12 to 9. To install, have the cam at 1 o'clock, install the finger tab into the groove, turn back to 12, remove. You now have a functional core, a functional lock. Master key. Okay, that's cam lock. Now we're going to move to draw lock. Same core. Goes to 1, remove. Draw lock. Inside, there's going to be a driver. The driver must line up to the 1 o'clock slot. The internal driver. Install. Turn back. Remove key. Operating key. Master key. Removal key. Control key. Same thing. Removes. And it removes, if you can see inside, everything lines up to 1 o'clock. Finger tab, which is on the top of the core right here. Reinstalled at 1 o'clock. Now we're going to go off to plunger lock. So it's cam lock, draw lock, now we're going to go to plunger lock. Plunger lock. Usually you can stick anything in there to make sure it lines up. Big pen, part of the key. 1 o'clock. Turn back. Remove. Operating key. Master key. Remove. Move to 1 o'clock. Remove. That's cam lock and draw lock, and that is plunger lock. Ratchet lock's identical. All the other locks basically go exactly the same way to 1 o'clock. Thank you.